Well, actually, I don't think any of those questions are going away, but NOPD says ICE's claims that Larry Temah was issued a service weapon are untrue. They also maintain that their hiring process, which included a federal system, showed Temah was legally allowed to work.
There was nothing that was in the packet that would have us have reason to believe that this person did not have legal status.
That was NOPD Superintendent Ann Kirkpatrick last week when we first learned about the ICE arrest of recruit Larry Temah. A week and some criticism from state and federal officials later, NOPD is standing by those statements. Here's the backstory. 46-year-old Larry Temah from Cameroon was working through NOPD's academy. Wednesday, January 28th, he was arrested by ICE. NOPD claims at the time he was hired, which Kirkpatrick says was back in June of 2025, they had no reason to believe he didn't have legal work authorization.
He had a valid driver's license, he had a social security number, and he completed and passed what we call the E-Verify system.
That E-Verify system is a federal system that confirms whether someone is legally authorized to work. According to ICE, Temah entered the U.S. legally in 2015 on a visitor visa. He was granted conditional residency in 2016 after marrying a U.S. citizen. But ICE says in 2022, his application for permanent residency was denied due to fraud. They say an immigration judge ordered him to be removed after he missed 3 court hearings. Now, 3 entities have all commented on the situation: DHS, Louisiana Attorney General Liz Murrill, and NOPD. DHS criticized NOPD, saying in part, quote, "What kind of law enforcement department gives criminal illegal aliens guns and badges? It's a felony for illegal aliens to even possess a firearm. Criminal illegal aliens have no place in our communities, especially on our police forces." Then, AG Murrill chimed in. She said she spoke with Superintendent Kirkpatrick and in a statement acknowledged NOPD's claims that Temah's information was put through E-Verify. Murrill claims that, according to Kirkpatrick, quote, "The city of New Orleans has adopted new policies and is cooperating with ICE." She continues, quote, "That said, I still have serious concerns about how this occurred and about the hiring process." Wednesday morning, NOPD sent another statement defending themselves and disputing what they call inaccurate and misleading claims. They doubled down, reaffirming that they verified Temah's work eligibility through E-Verify. Quote, "NOPD currently possesses those verification documents." And, quote, "At no point was NOPD notified of an ICE detainer or federal removal order prior to his arrest." They also say Temah was, quote, "not issued a service weapon and was not in possession of a firearm at the time of his arrest, as he was still early in training."
In a statement this afternoon, the DHS told us, quote, "E-Verify is a proven no-cost tool that delivers high accuracy in verifying work authorization by cross-checking employee documents against government databases to combat rampant document fraud and protecting American workers."